Hey, what's up guys? Make Money Matt here, helping you guys make money online. Right now, I'm logged into my YouTube analytics, and as you guys can see, in the past week, the past 7 days, from February 12th, 2019 to February 18th, 2019, I've made over $1,500 from a single YouTube channel without even making videos. That averages out to about $200 every single day. $200 every single day, and I've been able to do that consistently for well over a year. So without further ado, I'm going to show you exactly what I mean by uploading videos you didn't even make, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can too. Taking a look at this channel right here, this channel is called Top 15s, and they essentially make videos like countdown list videos. For example, top 15 scary encounters caught on GoPro, top 15 scary interrogation videos, videos of that nature. If we go to one of their random videos, for example, this top 15 scary encounters caught on GoPro, it's using videos this guy didn't even make, and he's doing a voiceover narration on top of the videos. If we listen here, we can hear the voiceover.
In April of
He's doing a voiceover over the videos, and this channel makes a lot of money. According to their Social Blade statistics, between $2,900 and $45,000 a month. So I can tell you guys from experience that that number is right around in the middle of those two numbers. So this guy, at least, by my experience, is making at least $20,000 a month uploading videos he didn't even make. Now you might be asking, where can I find videos like this that I can use to re-upload onto YouTube and make a lot of money like this channel does? I want to give you guys as much value as possible within this video, so I wanted to show you this video on purpose, because if we go down to the description of any of these top 15's videos, they leave a link to the sources of every single video they use within their video in the description of every video they make. So if we go to this link right here that includes all the sources of every video they use, they show every one of the 15 videos they show within that video. Let's say you guys wanted to start a top 5 channel, and you can simply go to this top 15's channel, and you can choose 5 of these different videos. You can go to each of these links. For example, if we go to this link, this will be one of the quote-unquote scary encounters caught on GoPro. Download this video, do a quick voiceover on top of the video, and you can make a lot of money doing this. Now, what if you guys are saying, I don't want to do a voiceover, I just want to upload other people's videos? This channel, which is called Edwin, does just that. They upload videos they didn't even make, and they don't even do a voiceover or anything on top of it. And if you go to any of their videos right here, 44,000 views, 54,000 views, and if we click their Social Blade statistics, they're making between $2,000 and $39,000 per month. They're making at least $15,000 to $20,000 a month uploading videos to YouTube they didn't even make. In actuality, it might be even much more than that, since the tech niche is such a lucrative niche, because ad rates on the tech niche are much higher. Every single day, they're making between $40 and $600 a day, so on the low end, they're making at least $300 a day uploading videos to YouTube they didn't even make. For example, let's just do a random video. This one, genius inventions that will take your life to the next level. If we click that video right here, all it is there's some music within the video, and then they show videos that other people made, videos from other companies showing all these different inventions that they found. These videos get a lot of views, and if we go down to the description, they actually show links to each one of the products they show in the video. So for example, for this screen door thing right here, they show the exact product that you guys can go to the link of, download that same video, upload it to YouTube, and you can get a lot of views and make a lot of money doing this. As I showed you guys by my own channels, I've made well over 6 figures doing this exact same method. And to everybody out there who's saying that this method doesn't work, YouTube changed its policy, new channels can't be monetized, that's simply not true. I have students that are getting monetized right now. I made a new channel at the beginning of 2018, and I got that channel monetized within 2 weeks. This method is not only working, but it's working better than ever right now. So for anybody interested in this method and who's actually serious about this method and making money on YouTube without making videos, you can check out, I do have a course at the link in the description, Make Money on YouTube Without Making Videos. This is my main course, but recently I came out with another course, my Make Money on YouTube Advanced Masterclass, which shows you everything you need to know, which shows you the advanced tactics that I use to take my YouTube income to the next level. And I even have a Make Money on YouTube bundle, which bundles both courses together. Now, what exactly are you getting with each course? With my main course, I show you everything you guys need to know to start making money on YouTube without making videos. In my opinion, this is the #1 method for beginners for making money online. I show you the best niches to choose, how to choose a niche, how to optimize your channel. Everybody talks about optimizing your YouTube videos themselves, which obviously is very important, but I show you guys how to optimize your YouTube channel itself and why it's so important. I show you how to download videos, optimize videos, connect your AdSense account, and I show you multiple secrets for multiplying your ad revenue on YouTube much more than anybody else on YouTube makes. This course is more than enough to start making a lot of money on YouTube. I do have this new course, Make Money on YouTube Advanced Masterclass, in which I show you advanced techniques to take your YouTube income to the next level, as well as showing you guys the exact top niches that I use, how to get around copyright ID and avoid strikes, multiple examples of the full process of finding videos, optimizing them, and uploading them, and I show you the best advanced techniques to optimize your videos for views and subscribers. And lastly, which I think you guys are going to love more than anything, I show you guys how to get a monetized channel super fast. You guys are always asking, how can I get a monetized channel fast? I show you exactly how to do it in the advanced masterclass. But if you guys don't want to pay for each course separately and you want to save a little money, get my Make Money on YouTube bundle. You save $50 as opposed to buying both courses by themselves. I sincerely want to help you guys in making money on YouTube without making videos. I hope this video served at least as an inspiration, and if you are serious about this method, you can check out my courses at the links in the description. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.